Before, after.
Okay guys, quick kwento lang. We tried this Eco Power Pill Carbon 3 sa Kia Sportage. Pero klaro ha, same results to sa cars, motors, trucks, kesyo gas or diesel engines. Pwede sa lahat. Talking about the fuel average, before, nasa 9 kilometers per liter lang yung takbo ng kotse namin. Same driver, same route, same daily routine. Then, we added the Eco Power Pill Carbon 3. And boom! Naging 15 kilometers per liter agad. Hindi ito magic ha. The pill just helps burn your fuel more efficiently. Kaya mas tipid sa gas, mas malinis ang makina, at mas konti ang usok. Yung mga fleet vehicles namin, average savings around 20%. Solid tipid na yun month after month. Kaya kung ikaw may kotse o motor, lalo na kung araw-araw ka sa kalsada, imagine the savings sa fuel at maintenance mo. Kami nga dati curious lang, ngayon believers na talaga kami. Try mo rin, one small pill per fuel tank. That's it. Same driver, same route, pero mas tipid, mas smooth sa biyahe. Get yours na! Eco Power Pill Carbon 3. The small pill that makes a big difference. Side note lang ha, mapapansin mo talaga yung difference kapag hindi mo na ginagamit yung Eco Power Pill Carbon 3. Nung trinay namin ulit without the carbon 3 pill, bumalik agad sa dating 9 kilometers per liter. So doon namin na-confirm na legitimate talaga siya. Mas matipid talaga kapag may pill kasi consistent yung takbo and route. Pero mas mataas yung fuel efficiency.